In this video, we'll demonstrate how you can leverage the power of Ansys Cloud for Ansys SPEOS optical simulations. Let's start with a typical Ansys SPEOS model. Materials are applied, source is defined, and sensors created. We've also prepared the simulation to be run on Ansys Cloud. First step is to export the simulation model. This will export all the simulation files necessary to be uploaded to Ansys Cloud. We use a link for the export to maintain the connection with the Ansys SPEOS tree once the results have been downloaded. The export is complete. We can now open the exported simulation. Let's choose Ansys Cloud as the destination for the simulation. This will automatically log us into our Ansys Cloud account or require credentials if they have not been stored on the user's machine. Set up the parameters of the job to be submitted. First, give a job name. Select the region of the cluster you would like to use, in this case, the East US region, as well as the configuration that you want to run the simulation on. The configurations have different hardware specifications. For example, different numbers of cores and numbers of nodes. Then, define the number of passes. By default, the number is defined in the simulation, but you can override the numbers and set a new value in this window. Finally, hit the Submit Job button. Simulation files are encrypted and submitted to Ansys Cloud Service. Compute resources are started on demand based on the job specifications. You can log into your Ansys Cloud account to access the Cloud portal, which allows you to monitor the progress of the simulation, as well as other jobs that may be in the queue. You can track the progress of the job. Here, you can see files upload is in progress. Track the status of the simulation from anywhere, on a small laptop or any portable device. Once the compute resources have been started, the simulation will start, and you can then monitor the progress of the simulation in the Ansys Cloud portal. The job is complete. Output results will be available to download back to the client's machine. Result files will be securely downloaded from Ansys Cloud Storage and be processed on your local machine. As you're using the linked export option, the connection with the SPEOS tree is maintained and can be opened directly from your simulation session. Perform any post-processing as necessary on the obtained results. Process has been set up for the first time. Launch a second job with a simple click. Exact same settings will be used as previously, and submit a second job to the same region using the same cluster configuration. You can see here that your second job has been submitted to the cloud, and will start to run as soon as the compute resources are available. Another option for viewing the results and performing the post-processing on the result is to use the new Ansys Cloud in-browser interactive session. Launch a virtual Ansys Cloud desktop directly from the Ansys Cloud interface. Same here. Choose the region you would like to use, as well as the version of the software and the configuration. In this case, you can see there are a few called NV configurations, which have access to a graphics processing unit. You can also set a certain time limit for the interactive session. Finally, select a job file folder. This allows you to pull results from a previously completed HPC simulation. The Cloud desktop session is now being prepared, giving you full access to a user interface, either to post-process results, and allows you to open Ansys SPEOS for interactive use from the Cloud session. Once the compute resource is ready, you can launch the desktop session. You have full access to the Ansys SPEOS user interface, as well as any of the results from the selected job folder. Easily open the simulation result that we just submitted. Ansys SPEOS user interface can also be opened. You have full control to model a new simulation or submit new jobs to the cloud directly from the interactive Ansys Cloud interface. Ansys Cloud, HPC as easy as it should be.